Hello guys, Volume Day Trader. Welcome on another market commentary, 4th of May 2023. And today we have a few very interesting assets. And one of it is Australian dollar, British pound as well, Canadian dollar, and SP 500. We will also look for the crypto market for a bit. First of all, once you can see on the chart, here is a very interesting candle. Means let's open and close right now is almost equal. What it means that the buyers today and sellers meet in this point, so they cannot decide it technically which direction they're supposed to go. And look at this, that usually when we have a very thin body, like here, like here, like here, okay, the next days or just a next day is a huge movement. The good question is which side, up or down. But usually the characteristic of such candles, look at this, how big movement we have here. Also look at this candle, very short body and very thin body, and then we have a big movement here. What are we supposed to expect tomorrow? If we're gonna close this candle like this, we're supposed to expect a big movement. The question right now comes in which direction? That's the good question. And that is the trading about. So we try to judge the market by our observation, by our research, and that's why we are using a volume as simply candlestick, which is available, and also we used accumulative volume, which is a Wyckoff wave volume or Wyckoff wave chart. So let's go quickly to a little bit smaller time frame. As you see, Australian dollar here is we have a daily chart, so let's go for maybe 60-minute chart. And according our last analysis, what I remember here, we find out the support, market came back to the support, we have reaction here, but market cannot continue this rally here. Even we have a momentum candle. So that's why we need to watch the volume. What is going on here and how the volume behaves. So let's maybe take only 2-3 days, and as we see, after this momentum, market came back here, reaccumulate, go high, came back again, couldn't manage to go farther down, and already market rebounds and still try to hold this level 0.66770. Look at the volume. Here was a very heavy volume, but so it means there was a big effort, no effect in a price. There is no continuation. So that's why on the daily chart right now, what we can see, we see a very thin body of the candle. So market cannot decide in which direction they're supposed to go, and the answer will come soon. In my opinion, accumulation or distribution takes usually the good setups, which are easy to detect, takes usually 1 to 2 days, usually 1 or 1.5 a day. That is the good setup which I really would like to play, and from my observation it takes around 1.5 a day. Of course, accumulation and distribution happen every day on the smaller time frame, but right now market cannot decide it. So if tomorrow we will see a huge volume playing down, most probably the market, look at this daily, will go down. If we will see the action like here, because markets still right now keep this level and try to protect, and they are just trying to go high, but they cannot, and they try here, they cannot, They tried here, so sellers again step in the market. They're trying once again, but those highs are lower and lower. It doesn't mean that the market will go down, but the answer will come soon. Usually after such days, the market answer, if we have such thin body answer, bring the answer the next day. So tomorrow we're supposed to see. Right now, markets still haven't decided what to do. Sometimes I'm using also 500 tick chart bar, and for more clarification and see here the volume. There is a big volume played here, but still market hold the area, and I'm going back again for 15-minute chart, and let's see what our indicator here show us. The trend here on the right is a trend in the Wyckoff trend indicator. So AUD, Australian dollar, right now they changed the color for the red. And if it's happened that this is a 5-minute chart, sorry, so we need to go for 15-minute chart. So here we see a big rally on the big volume, but no continuation, and market cannot decide it right now. So that's interesting situation, and I like such days. I mean, I like such days because tomorrow I'm pretty sure that the market will choose some direction, and then we will see. We will be able to follow the smart money thanks to this observation. Okay, so let's go for another chart. Today there was a beautiful action on the British pound. So have a look on 15-minute chart. Here was absolutely the highest, I think, the highest number of sold contract on this wave on British pound against the US dollar. This is a future contract, but it's same like GBP USD, and we still have a channel here. We hold this channel. Let's draw a little bit here. Okay, we have a channel here. So still market respect this channel. Okay, look at this, and here we have the overbought area. So market came back again, and British pound is really strong. Have a look on the daily chart and see how the British pound, BP, not GB. So we have new high today night, and this is the high, such high price we had exactly a year ago, June 10. So on this candle, yeah, okay, on this candle, June 10, 2022, and market right now also create a very thin body. So seems like the market tried to break, but still the buyers have no enough power to break it, and the strong sell of volume appear here. Buyers, this is a very interesting situation because we have a strong trend to the upside, okay, and market right now seems like is in a spring position. So what doesn't mean a huge volume, market goes up, generate a huge volume again, but couldn't go down, so it's big effort, no effect. And because of the fact we have a strong trend, most probably market will try to break again. Here already we have also like distribution pattern, like shortening of the trust, and everything was good about till this moment. But market maybe even till this moment, because again very huge number, but the market don't want to go down. So if we will go close to the area 1.2600 and market will be choppy here, means that the buyers still have a big pressure to break it, and bullish, that would be the bullish sign. If we will see in few hours break down here, the market will break again, and on the rising volume, that would be the sign of weakness. And then so we have really few charts like for potential transaction, but right now it looks bullish. That, look at this, that's still big volume, but there is no continuation. So someone sold a lot and someone already bought a lot. So right now buyers and sellers are fighting on the market. So volume, that is a really good indicator, which also help us to judge the market somehow. And still look at the closes. We have 1, 2, that one was low, 3, 4 closes here. So market do the reabsorption of whatever is sold here, and the British pound is really, really strong right now, because such volume usually leads to such picture leads to the and change the direction. But it looks like the British pound wants to go really, really high. Let's go for and let's see Canadian dollar today. Market also here, like first daily. Let's go for daily. CD, this is a Canadian dollar, again is USD. So what we have on the daily chart, have a look. Such picture is more than enough. Let's draw a little bit. Let's see here. Okay, this is and here there is a very strong support level. That candle is very strong. So look, this candle looks good. Market open here, goes down, buyers step in the market, close this candle here, and even here, look, very thin body, market reaction on the next day, and there is no continuation. Market try to, even there's low here, low here, low here, it's higher position, on the higher position, and market try to goes up. But let's see the chart and let's see the volume, let's judge it like this, and let's put some lines. Lines are very important because lines are telling us a story. Okay. Okay, I need to do it again. It's not that chart, it's that chart. Sorry. Okay, here. Which level is good? Maybe this high, because we couldn't manage to close. Maybe here we could manage to close above, and market goes down again. Goes again. Here we have a false breakdown. Market came back immediately, back, and create something, some like support inside. We call it Wyckoff in Wyckoff. And look, again, here was a huge volume, the largest one. Once we start go sideways, okay, and this big volume was vacuumed by buyers. Here volume decreased, and we have right now confirmation that quite big volume here. What market did? Market again came back to the range, make the proper support, and right now this is a strength right now to the upside. So Canadian dollar supposed to, this is a very bullish pattern right now. Also have a look on the 500 tick bar chart. If you don't have, you can use on platform trading view. You have this is what it is. This is ADA. That's the crypto. Okay, so you can use range. That's almost, let's say that's almost same. So here also we have a good picture. Yeah, look, how much green is plotted on the chart, so it's really good. 60-minute chart. I think we will not have a lot of information here, but 5 minutes. So it's really choppy. I would love to have a 15-minute chart, and let's see if there is a confirmation for Canadian. Let's go to Canadian dollar. Yeah, exactly. There is a confirmation right now. Here's another my indicator, but I will. So look at this. Already Canadian dollar, after this drop here, pull back, change the color. Of course, here change the color, and we have pull back to 0.7350 around. Market is changing the color for the green. Looks like accumulation. Accumulation is taking place, and market allowed us to take the position, and it's green, so it's absolutely good pattern for long position. So yeah, thanks that on during the analysis we find a trade. So we have a British pound, we had Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. Euro is a little bit tricky today. Today we had the information regarding the rates, cutting rates, or just introduce a new high rates by European Central Bank. So I don't like the information and be on the market when the information are announced, because market is crazy, up, down. That's absolutely a lottery. But market tried to goes down, but couldn't. And still we have no clear answer. I don't know what is gonna happen here. Market is not clear, so I don't gonna analyze it. If I don't see a picture, I just leave the chart. And very interesting situation is on dollar index. Have a look on dollar index. Dollar index is very choppy since mid of April. And today, because of the information, they break to almost to the new low. But that seems like some spring formation. So if it's spring, and if dollar index will try to go high, euro will go down, because 57% of this product is made by the euro, because dollar index is a bucket of 6 different currencies, weighted currencies, and 57% is euro. So dollar index going up, usually euro going down. So there is some kind of the correlation. But I think that dollar try to find some bottom and rebound. So we will see. That's very interesting, and maybe this accumulation gonna be, maybe that pattern gonna be accumulation. So we don't know, but still waiting for the confirmation. Once we will go, we will break this up level. And this is a daily chart, so also have a look. Maybe I will just squeeze it a little bit by like this. And what is interesting here, that anytime they're going below 101, buyers step in again the market. So if we're gonna break this shadow here, okay, this low of this candle, that would mean difficulties for dollar and further weakness. But as now, what I see on the picture, so we still came back to the range, almost to the half of the range. Right now the prices are displayed here. So that may be potential accumulation. So right now the tick volumes or volumes, they don't draw a clear picture, so cannot say anything. If I switch the chart for 3 hours, this is 180 minutes. So here is a potential spring, and I read it as a spring formation, okay? According the accumulation chart, which is available here. So look at this big volume here, and here also was a down volume, but only a little, and means that someone, this picture right now is telling me that someone is like buying everything. Those short sellers are buyback by someone. So this huge volume giving me the information that someone is buying everything below 101. So smart money, play against themselves as well, and some institutional money already are on this chart. So that's very interesting. So next day we supposed to have next days we supposed to have really nice patterns or interesting asset which we can watch. And the most, I think, right now, the most clear pattern is on SP 500. Let's go for S&P. This is accumulation. This is not accumulation. This is a continuation chart. And have a look on daily. Today I mark support level. Here there's like we're supposed to even draw further, like support level. And look what's happened today. So market open here, try to go high, couldn't manage. Right now we are exactly on support level. Let's go for 60-minute chart and looks how it how the market is playing right now. So every support level generate potential trades. So what we are looking for here, look for 4 hours chart, 240 minutes. So last time the market on this level generate the spin bar. Okay, if we go farther to the spin bar, for sure there is a accumulation patterns seen on the numbers, and that's why this level is very interesting right now. If we broke to the downside, I'm not taking the short position right now. I'm just waiting for a sign of strength, so maybe the market changed direction here, and because this is a support level, the level is still not break, and I'm waiting for potential such pattern or any other pattern which comes from the also from the volume. So accumulation, and the dollar is getting really better right now. So maybe if dollar gonna be better, let's see what Australian dollar is playing right now. So you remember, maybe it could be distribution here and change the pattern for distribution. That's interesting. And yes, so that is what maybe it's not. It will be distribution here, and this level will be break, because right now I told you one of the pattern I'm looking for is to increasing down volume and first close below this level. So let's see. Let's wait. Interesting situation right now. Let's go for, let's say, 5-minute chart right now, and you see that could be the potential spring formation, and maybe market will rebound, and we see a higher prices for 1,150 or something like that, and yeah, that's the, I think it's yeah. So this is how the market looks like. Okay, let's check if we break. Of course we break, so we have few patterns. Okay, this is a shortening of the trust, means that lows are on the lower low. They are doing a smaller distance, okay, from low to low, and that's already a good sign. And we are absolutely on the support level. So on the smaller time frame, in day trading, I also using the 5,000 tick bar chart. Let's see if there is something interesting on such chart. maybe we wait too much for this data. Yeah, a huge volume, but there is no clear breakout. So maybe 5 minutes will be better for now because session already started. That's why this volume is super high. Yeah, and also we can look at the gold on the chart. So look what is happening on the gold. There is a seems like gold. Watch the volume here. We have a momentum here. Market goes down, and right now we get a huge volume to the upside, and looks like here is a reaccumulation, and the market that's why the market is trading to the upside. So gold is it's not my favorite. It's not my favorite market, but you can also check on the trading view using the indicators. Yeah, okay, guys, thank you very much, and have a good trading day. Bye bye.